What's up guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video I want to help you guys create a Super Smash Bros Ultimate account. So let's get started. The first thing that you guys need to do is go on Google and search for Super Smash Bros Ultimate. Good, now click on the first thing that pops up. And at the top you have the option to log in. Click on that. Now you have two options, sign in or create a Nintendo account. We're gonna click on create a Nintendo account. You guys have to select your age if you're up to the age of 15 or 16 and older. I'm 16 and older, I'm gonna select that. And if you scroll down, you can begin to create your account. So you guys need a nickname, make sure you fill that in. Good, now you guys have to fill in your email address. Okay, now create a password. Now you guys have to confirm the password. Okay, now they're gonna ask you for your birthday. Uh-huh. Good, now select your gender, select your country, select your time zone. After you've done that, click on check this box, I agree to the Nintendo account user agreement. Then click continue. Good, you can select either of these options, it's fine. After you've done that, confirm and register. Click on that. And what they're gonna do, it's they're gonna send you a verification code on your email address. You guys gonna have to fill that in. And after you fill that in, click on verified and your account will be created. That's all you guys have to do. Hope I was helpful. If I was, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.